Hello everyone, today I will be showing you how you can withdraw your funds here in 1xbet.com. So let's get started. So here we are in 1xbet.com. This is the official website. So if you want to go to this website, you need to go through this URL. And now that we are logged in, you need to log in first in order for you to withdraw your money. And now what we want to do is hover here in the My Account button right here. And as you can see, we have a lot of options right here which says deposit, withdraw, and so on. But for now, we're not yet gonna go here and withdraw funds. So we need to go here in account settings. So we're gonna go here, click on it. And let's just wait for it to load right there. And here, what you want to do now is make sure in your security right here that you have enabled this link your phone and two-factor authentication. But as you can see, I haven't enabled this because this is just a tutorial account. I'm just showing you on how you can withdraw your money here. So you want to link and your two-factor authentication, you want to enable it. And after that, we can now go here and to withdraw funds right here. And as you can see, these are the recommended methods in my country. It depends on your country on what is available for you or what is recommended. So here in all methods right here, this is the recommended method for me, which is RTM, and we have a lot of other payout stream right here, which is PayMaya, Webflow, Visa, MasterCard, or whatever you want right here. You could even convert it into cryptocurrency right here. You can receive it as Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Solana, and so on. And you could just do that. So let's say for this example, all we want is to transfer the money in this account, or let's say in your account, into a bank. So we're gonna go for bank transfer. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna find bank transfer right here, and here it is right here. We'll want to click on it, and as you can see, it has a minimum amount that you need to withdraw. So you must have the minimum balance in your account so you will be able to withdraw. And it is just 100 Philippine pesos, which is equivalent to $1 US. So as long as you have that, you can withdraw your money right here. And you need to select your recipient right here. We have these banks available right here in my country, so it will vary depending on your country. It might be different for you. So all you have to do is just choose that, and you want to click on confirm after you have provided your account number, your account name, mobile number, and so on. The necessary details that is needed. And after that, that's pretty much it right there. You can confirm it, and it will take up some process. It will take some time for the money to go to your bank because there will be a slight delay in the process, so you might want to wait on that. And you can check the process that will be sent to you via your contact information that you have provided here in 1xbet. That's basically it on how to withdraw your money here in 1xbet.com. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to be updated on our new uploads. See you soon.